What difference between task underscore reject underscore on underscore worker underscore lost and task underscore acts underscore late in Celery? Can you explain what do I have to use, task underscore reject underscore on underscore worker underscore lost or task underscore acts underscore late and how they are different? Why Celery don't run task again after exception when task underscore acts underscore late is true? In Celery docs. Even if task underscore acts underscore late is enabled, the worker will acknowledge tasks when the worker process executing them abruptly exits. What does it mean abruptly exits? Will an exception be raised? When Celery retries task when task underscore acts underscore late is true and when task underscore reject underscore on underscore worker underscore lost is true.
If you wanted to retry after an exception, you can pass args to the decorator. Abruptly exits refers to the worker being killed, not an exception. If you use task underscore acts underscore late, then the worker will remove the item from the queue at the end of the task rather than the beginning. However, if the worker process is killed, the task is still acknowledged even if it wasn't completed. Task underscore reject underscore on underscore worker underscore lost will requeue the message if the above event happens, so you won't lose the task. Sources: this URL. This URL. You should be able to use both of these settings together with no issues.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.